What is up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to take incredible macro shots using any lens that you already own. And the best part, it's 100% free. So grab your camera and your lens. It really doesn't matter what lens you're shooting with. That's the beautiful thing about this trick. It could be a 16-35 like I have here. It could be a 24mm. It could be anything. That's one of the things I love about this, is you don't need anything other than the gear you already own. Now this is where the magic happens. You twist the lens off the camera and being super careful so you don't scratch the front element, spin it around 180 degrees and bring it all the way back up to the body of your camera. Now I can't stress this enough, don't just go slamming these two together, because the front element of your lens is super sensitive glass and the last thing you want is to be scratching it using the mount on your camera. Just nice and gently bring them all the way up until they're touching, just like that. And that's it. That's the macro lens. I know it seems crazy, and if your brain just exploded, that's absolutely fine. Mine did too the first time I saw this. But for real, put these two together, physically move it closer to whatever it is you want to shoot, and you'll just see everything pop into focus, and it totally works as a macro lens. You'll notice when you do this that the depth of field is incredibly shallow. As you can see here from this shot of my desk, there's kind of this band that moves forwards and backwards. It's very, very obvious, and it is very shallow. It can be a bit of a challenge, but if you are just getting started in macro photography, or you're not all in and you don't want to drop $1,000 plus on a half decent macro lens, or you just want to capture some textures in a pinch, this is a shot that I took of my watch using this technique, and just look at the crazy level of detail you can get out of it. This was like a 24-70. I am constantly blown away by how effective this technique can actually be when you use it effectively and when you're smart about using it. Alright guys, that is it from me. That is the macro hack. If you liked the video, please go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe if you are not already, and be sure to ring the bell so you don't miss when I upload new videos every single week. Leave me some comments, let me know what you thought of this hack, let me know if it's the sort of thing that you will use, and also if you do use it and you post the photos on Instagram or on Twitter or anywhere else, be sure to tag me. It's @_Mason Summers just about everywhere. And lastly, of all the things, if you do want to support me, there is a link down in the description to my Patreon account where you can support me and all the things I do on this channel, and I would really, really appreciate it if you went over and checked that out. Alright guys, take it easy, and I will see you in the next video.